You might not believe it, but garlic is considered one of the gateways to the supernatural, and eating garlic can have a significant impact on strengthening and accelerating the desires of the human mind. This garlic soup is one of the delicious and pure recipes with minimal ingredients that you can make, allowing you to enjoy eating it and benefit from its spirituality. First, peel 4 whole heads of garlic and transfer them to a baking sheet or a special roasting dish. Add salt, black pepper, and olive oil to the garlic and roast them in a preheated oven of 180 degrees Celsius, which is 350 degrees Fahrenheit, or an air fryer for 30 to 40 minutes. Make sure to cover the garlic with foil or the lid. By the way, the list of necessary ingredients is provided in the video description. After the garlic is ready, pour some oil into a pot and add the diced onion and cubed potatoes. Add a little salt and saute them until they are softened. Next, add our spices, including garlic powder, cumin powder, black pepper powder, and dried parsley, and continue sauteing until the pleasant aroma of the spices fills the air. Then add 750 ml, which is almost 3 cups of water or vegetable stock, to the pot. Add the roasted garlic and cover the pot. Let it simmer on a low heat until the potatoes are fully cooked. Once the potatoes are fully cooked, remove the pot from the heat and add about half a cup of cream to the soup. Check the seasoning and then blend the entire soup with an immersion blender until smooth. This delicious soup is ready as simply and quickly as that. Garnish it with red pepper powder, olive oil, and fried garlic, and enjoy it with a piece of toasted bread with butter. And don't forget to visualize all your desires with positive feeling while enjoying this soup.